Hello, this is Esther from Cemantica. So you know that Cemantica is a customer journey management platform that actually manages the entire sales cycle from A to Z. So let's review the cycle and let's see how it is structured in the Cemantica platform. So you can see on the menu here on the left side 4 different steps. So the first one is define, right? So in the define step, you can actually build your programs and visualize your journeys portfolio. The second step is the design. So in the design phase, you can build your journeys, build your persona, and start generating some insights. Once you have done the design phase, you're going to come up with pain points, business challenges, area of opportunity. So naturally, you would like to go into execution and put an opportunity, solution, action, in front of each pain point that you have identified during the design phase. And then the next step is to measure. Of course, at the end, you would like to understand the impact of all your initiative on your organization and on your customers. All right. So you see, very easy, structured in Cemantica with all these different steps: define, design, execute, and measure. And you can always understand where you are in the cycle when you're working on different journeys. All right, if you would like to have more information, please go on our website www.cemantica.com or contact us at info@cemantica.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.